Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a graduation gown. So first and foremost, we have our jam pack material, we have our scissors, our chalk and tape. So we're ready to cut, but in this version, we're going to be cutting a smaller version, not for a real big person. Up next, we're going to fold the material into a smaller size, and then we're going to be measuring the upper bust. The upper bust is usually from the shoulder to before the bust, like that measurement that you do subtract when you're cutting an off shoulder. That's what we're going to use, but I'm just guessing the measurement here because fabric is not enough for a real person. First, we're going to measure like 3 inches for the front, for the back, and then for the front. The back is going to be a round neck, then the front is going to be a v-neck, so that it can be a zip in front of it, either a zip or a press button or whatever it is that is best for you. After cutting the back and the front, I take 1 inch for the neck, the width and the height of the neck. So you take 1 inch for it. You can use 2 by 2 inches, 3.5 by 3.5. This is just a smaller type of it. After that, we'll trace it out in square form and then we'll cut it curve. After we've gotten that, we're going to cut the front part, which is going to be a V, slanting from the upper part of the neck where it's going to be, and then we slant it down. Next, we're going to cut facing, because when we're cutting this, I don't think there's any use for lining in it. We're going to be using the same material to turn it inside. So we're going to be using facing, but you need to have chalk on it so you can identify the right side and the part that is going to be faced in. Next, we're going to measure the part that we're going to be gathering around. I'm just using 10 inches by 10 inches plus 7. You can use plus 5, you can use plus 4. I'm using 10 inches plus 10 inches plus 7, that's 27. For the gathers, that is going to be around the smaller parts of the body. So next, we'll cut the sleeve. It has already been divided into 2. It's going to be bigger because we'll notch the center. We're going to be gathering it round the armhole. We'll set that aside, and then we're going to cut the rope that's going to be in front of it. For the graduation gown shorts, it was wine color, but we can't combine colors here. We're just going to be using this material for it anyway. We're going to use this and we're going to notch it out and cut out the triangle. Now for the sewing part, we've got our empty reeler. We're going to reel white thread in it. That's what we're going to use to sew, and then this is the shuttle. We'll insert the reeler into the shuttle and use it to sew. Now we're done with that. We're going to start with the rope that's going to be in front of the graduation gown. We'll join both shoulders together, the shoulder from the front and the back for both sides, the one that's going to be resting in front of it so everything can balance. We'll fold the under part so it looks neat.